It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Let's get back into medical matters right now. As a parent, hearing your child cough may make you feel uneasy. Whether your child has been coughing for a few days or a few weeks, it's vital to determine what the cause is and what the best treatment is for that specific type of cough. We're about to chat to pediatrician Dr. Mashandri Naidu on the different types of coughs your child may be experiencing and how we as parents can treat it. Doctor, very good morning. How are you?
Morning, Graham. Thanks for having me on the show. Well, thank you.
An absolute pleasure. I've got a little one, a 3-year-old boy, so this is something that really interests me. And maybe this is a silly question, but I have to ask, because I'd love to know, do children get coughs for the same reason that adults do?
No, they don't, Graham. I think we need to understand that children are not mini adults. Cough in children will differ from adults, firstly in its presentation and its cause, as well as its management. And some of the factors that actually contribute to this is the fact that children have a completely different anatomical airway structure, and they don't control their cough reflex the same way that adults do. So the causes are definitely very different in a child and an adult.
Okay, so that being said, what does it mean then when a child coughs specifically? Is it this kind of the body's natural defense system to clear mucus? What is happening within a child's respiratory system when they cough?
Sure. So coughing is a vital protective reflex mechanism in order to keep our respiratory systems clear. It is an act that clears mucus particles, foreign bodies, and microbes from our breathing passages and our throat. So if a cough receptor within the lining of our airway gets irritated, then nerve signals are passed on to the cough center in the brain, which then will stimulate a series of coordinated muscular actions resulting in a cough. So cough, being protective, should not actually be suppressed until the underlying cause of the cough is identified.
The body's doing what it has to do. So I would imagine we move through phases of a cough. You have an acute type of cough, then you've got the chronic cough. What's the key difference between the two?
Sure. We as doctors use the terms acute and chronic to define the time frame of a cough. So in a child, a cough that lasts less than 4 weeks will be called an acute cough. And generally, the most common cause would be a viral respiratory tract infection. Any cough that lasts longer than 4 weeks is termed chronic and does need further investigation.
So we know viruses are often the culprits. What are the most common causes in children? Where are they most at risk? I'm just thinking about when my boy was coming and going from creche. It seemed to be the main culprit there. And how do we effectively treat coughs and the different types?
Cough is one of the most common presenting complaints to general practitioners as well as pediatricians, and it impacts a child's ability to play, to feed, to sleep, and is often a huge source of concern for parents as well. Acute viral respiratory tract infections are the commonest cause of cough in children. The majority of children will cough for up to 10 to 14 days, but a percentage, at least 10%, might still cough at day 25. So these viral infections can present as common colds, as bronchiolitis, as croup, or as influenza. Generally, being a viral illness, the treatment is supportive. So paracetamol for pain and fever, making sure your child is well hydrated, and using saline rinses. Antibiotics are also ineffective in treating a viral-induced cough and should be avoided at all costs. The other common cough cause would be asthma in children. We see a lot of this, and allergies are on the rise, and asthma is treated very differently and would require chronic use of an inhaled corticosteroid.
At what point, obviously you've given us a time frame for that cough to be sticking around, but at what point and with what sort of symptoms should we become concerned as parents?
Sure. I think in a child who is coughing, the following alarm bells should ring for parents as well as for doctors. So in a child that's got persistent fever with rapid breathing, a child that's got shortness of breath, or if a child looks dusky in color, that child needs urgent attention because you would like to exclude a pneumonia.
Sure.
Other red flags would be the sudden onset of cough post an episode of choking. This could indicate inhalation of a foreign body. Or any child that has a chronic cough with loss of weight, night sweats, needs further investigation, or a chronic wet cough with sputum production would also need to be investigated further.
Oh, Doctor, thank you so much. Some absolute gems in there. Thank you for your time this morning and your insights. We really appreciate it.
Absolute pleasure, Graham. Thank you.
These insights were brought to you by Dilinct Junior, a cough syrup especially formulated for alleviating coughs in young children. Dilinct Junior is sugar and alcohol free and recommended for children 2 years and older.
Dilinct Junior clears a wet cough and thins and loosens chest mucus, suitable for children from the age of 2 years.